Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for tuning in. I hope you are doing great. Greetings to you all. Thanks for stopping by, and I'm happy to share with you this simple recipe, guys. Today we are making curry powder. All right, and it takes some simple ingredients to get an amazing result. Without further ado, let's get to the kitchen and start measuring our ingredients to make our curry powder. Okay, so these are the ingredients you are using, and when I finish with all the measurements, I'll tell you the names of the ingredients. Okay, so let's finish with all and I'll mention the names to you. All right, so the names and the measurements are 1 cup of turmeric powder, 1/3 of black peppercorn, 1/3 of coriander seeds, half cup of ginger powder, 1/3 of cumin seeds, 1/3 of fennel seeds, and guys, these ones are optional. Okay, cloves, yeah, that's cloves, and it's optional, and half a teaspoonful of anise seeds. So the cloves and the anise seeds are all optional, but I love the flavor, the smell, the fragrance that they bring to my curry powder. That's why I'm using it. Okay, so guys, you can always opt that out. Right now, all these ingredients are in their holes, so we're going to bring them into the saucepan to roast them for like 2 minutes in order to release their fragrance. So with the exception of the ginger powder and the turmeric powder, all the rest are coming straight into the saucepan for it to be roasted. Okay, make sure you keep stirring it, keep stirring it, keep stirring it until you can smell the fragrance. You can smell it. Okay, smell the aroma, and then you are done with that. Just leave it for like 10, 15, 20 minutes for it to cool down. Yes, so now we are back and it's cooled down. Okay, you can even touch it. Let's see. Yes, it's now cooled down and it's about to be blended. Wow, the aroma, the fragrance is so amazing, guys. Wow, wow, I'm so amazed. Wow. So if you're watching this video and you are loving it so far, give it a thumbs up. And if you are new on this channel and you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Subscribe for more appetizing recipes, okay? Because you are missing out on a lot of recipes. Also, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload new videos. All right, recommend this channel to friends and families who also love my recipes. So now that we are all done, we're going to blend our aromatic ingredients. This house smells so heavenly. It smells heavenly, guys. Yes, in some few minutes we should be done. Yes. What an amazing aroma. Wow. We are now transferring our blended aromatic ingredients into this bowl, guys. Yes, I love it. And now it's time to stir it. We're going to add the rest of the ingredients and then we will combine them properly. We're going to mix them properly. That's our ginger powder, our turmeric powder, and our cayenne pepper. Guys, it's optional, so if you don't want it spicy, don't add the cayenne pepper. Okay, but that's how I love it. I love it spicy. Guys, let's mix it together. Gently stir it and combine these ingredients. So far, so good. The aroma is everywhere and is going to be used to make amazing recipes. I mean, amazing food, guys. I'm in love. I'm just in love. Wow, look at that. Look at the color. Look at the color. Just what I've been trying to achieve. And yes, I have achieved it. Yes, this is how I love my curry powder. This is the color that I love so much. Guys, I hope you are inspired and I'm loving it, guys. I'm so loving this recipe. Very soon, I'm going to be using it to make amazing recipes. So just keep watching my videos and subscribe to see what I'll use this curry powder for, alright? I've just used it for something special. So keep watching till the end and I'll show you what that is. Thanks for watching. See you all again in my next video. I really appreciate you all for stopping by. Please recommend the channel to friends and families and subscribe if you haven't already. Like, share, comment. Ta-da! Guys, I've used this curry powder for this flavorful, tasty curry gizzard chicken stir fry. Coming up on my channel very soon. So subscribe for the recipe. Mwah. See you again in my next video. Bye bye. Kiss.